So, weekly roundup for real estate and mortgages in Canada. What's our team looking at right now? First of all, where are the rates? Where's the bond market this week? Bond market is still stable right now, still on the low end with 2.6 for the 5 year. And we don't see any uptick in that for now. So status quo, it's been dropping over the last 12 months, which is good news. But again, we need to see what will happen with new inflation numbers. And it looks like the tariffs are still moving forward. April 2nd is in a few days. Good thing is that Carney and Trump spoke, so there seemed to be an open line of communication there, which is very good news for us. So we'll have to see how that translate into less retaliation and probably drop in the tariffs. In the meantime, Bank of Canada next announcement is in 2 weeks as well. We expected a pause in interest rate, no cuts this month, but if things get worse, we might see an emergency rate cut. So we could expect, even if the executive branch and the Bank of Canada are completely separate from each other, we expect Mark Carney and Tiff Macklem to speak because that's not a normal situation for Canada right now. We saw inventory buildup in Toronto in the GTA. Sales drop as per recent reports. Sales drop for the month of February compared to other like previous years. So that's concerning for the real estate community, but for us, we see that that's very good news for first-time home buyers. We see that there's lots of potential in the market. So two big wins for first-time home buyers right now is that one, there is lots of choice. It is a buyer's market, and two, rates are still low. We see rates at 3.79 for the 5 year fix right now. Even variable rates we've seen prime minus 1%, so which is very good as well. So payment wise, you would save on basically when you compare rent versus buying versus getting a mortgage right now, it might definitely make sense to get out of a renting situation while rates are still low. So first step, definitely we recommend locking a rate, getting our mortgage broker, Sesh Sandy, to do a pre-approval for you, look at the finances. Secondly, lock in the rate for at least 4 months, gives you peace of mind and a good stretch, good window for shopping. Then get out with your real estate agent to do some shopping, look for houses. Now might be the right time to jump in and buy, even invest. There might be some good deals for investors, but for investors, what we caution right now is we need to do the math to see that whether there's some cash flow opportunities there. You don't want to jump in. Completely different mindset, investor versus first-time home buyer. You're not looking for a forever home here. You're looking for an investment that will cash flow positive. So definitely we need to spend more time on this analysis with Sesh and his team, just to look at numbers before you pull the trigger. So that's our quick roundup for this week. We might want definitely tariffs remain top of mind. Everyone is still freaking out. If we don't know what Canada would do, if Canada decides to push back and retaliate, there will be inflation. There will be inflation in Canada. People are already feeling it. We see a drop in business confidence with regards to the economy. Hiring has slowed down by a lot. We haven't seen unemployment yet, but we need to bear in mind that there is a drop in the foreign immigration. Lots of those immigrants or temp workers came from India. That has slowed down considerably. So we will see an impact on basically the inflation. We will see an impact on lots of those specific pieces of data. We will see a drop probably in rent, where let's say in those select areas where those students and temporary workers were residing. So lots of things to unpack as the data will come out, as the payroll numbers, as the rent numbers, as the inflation numbers will come out, and we'll keep you posted. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. If you have more personal issues with your personal finance, your mortgage approval, you can DM or you can call us at 905-536-4900. Again, I stress the urgency is there is a window of opportunity again here to lock in a rate and get approved for the mortgage for your first home, even for refinance. I see some lots of opportunities to save money right now, especially if you got your mortgage in 2023 or 2024. Might be worth looking at a breaking analysis comparing is the cost, the savings on interest and maybe consolidating some debts or just like looking at redoing the mortgage to save some money with the new prevailing interest right now. But again, everything starts with a conversation with our team. It doesn't take long, maybe 10 minutes, but it's worth it for you, for your peace of mind. 905-536-4900.